And I'm wearing my prescription glasses today because I can't see. Okay, I can't see. My camera really looks good on you, but me, it makes me look dark.
Why is the camera racist?
Yeah, true. I am going to the beach. I didn't know there were beaches in Toronto, but apparently there are beaches in Toronto, so I'm going to the beach on this fine day. This is the fit, very simple, very casual, and I'm wearing my prescription glasses today because I can't see. Okay, I can't see. Nobody should come for me.
One eternity later.
I don't know if you guys can tell from my face, but I haven't slept. I'm gonna go do laundry now. Cute though, even though I haven't slept. Anyways, welcome to another vlog. I'm gonna do my intro later. But then welcome to another vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Or should I do my intro now since we are waiting for the elevator? What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another fucking video. If you don't know where I am, hello, my name is Sandy. If you're cool, click on pretty boys like, so make sure you hit that big red subscribe button and become cool. And that's a what? Period. Anyways, the elevator came, but I am going to go do laundry now. I have a couple of things to do today, but I'll speak to you guys when I'm done with the laundry. It is currently like 6 a.m. and I want to go do it before like people start crowding that place. Okay. This later in the day, I took a nap. It's now like 1 o'clock. Freaking tired. You can see from my face that I'm tired. Can you guys hear me? So I want to go to the bank, and then I'll go to the African store, and I'll go to the Chinese store. So 3 places. I left my bank card at home, so I can't even go to the bank because I do not have my bank card. Anyways, I'm going to get a Presto card. If you live in Canada, I know what the Presto card is, but it's basically the thing you tap for transportation. And my own keeps getting missing every other month, and I have to buy a new one every other month, and it pisses me off. But then, can they bring it to Apple Pay already, so I can just connect and like use my phone all the time? I don't have to worry about the card. Stressing me the fuck out, honestly. But I'm going to go get it, and then I'll go to the African store and the Chinese store since I didn't bring my bank card. Presto card secured, so let's go to the store, the supermarket, and I might go to No Frills too. Let's see. I just left the African store and I got a bunch of things. I got gari, I got white chilies, and I got egusi because I want to do inkontomi stew. So I'm gonna head to the Chinese store now. Yeah, got to actually leave because obviously I want to do wache. But yeah, I will see you guys when I get to the channel. It's the weather forecast says it's supposed to rain really heavy today. That's why my background looks like that. But the sun is shining. It's just like drizzling here and there, but then it hasn't rained like heavy. But we shall see. Okay, I'm waiting for my bus now. I don't know if you guys can see from behind me. It's a Stanley Road. I'm literally standing on Stanley Road. Let me show you guys.
Seizing and teasing, I'm sitting on it. All of my diamonds are tripping on it. I'm letting my divide was over something I ordered 2 more eyes, but tonight I want it. A little context if you care to listen. I found myself in a shit position. The man that I love sat me down last night and he told me that it's over, a dumb decision. No, I don't wanna feel my heart.
I just came out of the Chinese store. I need to head to another Chinese store though, because I want fish and probably chicken. I'm still trying to contemplate fish and chicken or just fish, because I don't know, of late chicken doesn't really appeal to me anymore like it used to. So I don't really eat chicken as much. But yeah, let's go. I look cute, don't I? Tell me I look cute.
I don't wanna feel, so I stick to sipping and I'm out on the town with that same permission. In my little black dress and the shape is just a half rope. I use 16 in the back of the nightclub, sipping champagne. I don't trust any.
I just left the Chinese store. I'm going home now. I'm gonna go cook. Oh god, the hardest part is about to start. I'm going to cook and wash dishes. I don't know who doesn't like washing dishes. I'm sure I'll find my people when I post this video, because I know I'm not the only one who doesn't like washing dishes. I just left Shoppers. Right now I'm going to Papayas. Whatever you people want to call it. Everybody laughs at my pronunciation of this place, but I pronounce it the way I think it is correct. Yeah, so I'm going there because even though I cook today, I want to eat fast food. Does that make sense? Yeah, it does. Good morning. It is the next day. What do we have on the agenda today? I want to go downtown. I want to go thrifting. I want to get some stuff. Guys, thrifting is like the ish. If you don't want to spend money on expensive clothes, if you want to live like I was about to say if you want to live affordable life, but then okay, vintage stores are different from thrift stores, and I like going to vintage stores because you find like vintage pieces that like literally no one has, so you'll be the only person wearing. Yeah, but then those are kind of expensive than thrift stores. But I'm going to thrift stores today. I'm not going to vintage stores because like the boy is broke. Okay. But I'll go downtown. I just woke up. I'm gonna go I'm gonna go shower, and then I'll go. I'm not going with anyone today because like everybody is busy. Like nobody wants to be my friend. But I'm going alone, and I have a cute little date with myself. I'll probably like get something to eat and like do stuff, and I'll come back home. Yeah, let's see. I know I said I was gonna go shower, but it's been like 1 hour. I was scrolling on TikTok, but I'm gonna go shower now. And one of my friends called me. Now he's free. He can go with me to the thrift store. So I'm gonna head over to his house because his place is like closer to the thrift store than I am. So I head over to his place, and then we will go to the thrift store together. Yeah. So now I'm hanging out with someone. So it's not a solo date. It's like I'm just hanging out with my friend. Okay. I'll see you guys when I'm ready and about to go. I am ready. this is the fit for today. Is this a fit? It's just regular. But I'm ready. I'm heading to go see my friend, and then we will head downtown. Guys, we are here now at the thrift store. Oh my god, we are here. I'm gonna walk like this because I look like this in this light, good in this light. But this is what the place looks like. You know, a lot of stuff to go through, so I am about to go through and then I will show you. Oh, okay, this is nice. Yeah, no, it's not nice. But I am about to go through and then I'll show you guys. I'm mainly want like jorts and like jersey shirts, stuff like that. Yeah, so I'll just go through. Okay, I don't know. No, it looks like it will fit me.
I think so too.
That would be the African way. Wait, are these the sizes? I think that these are the sizes. Oh, yeah, I think it's a bit big.
Is that not too big for you?
Yeah,
Jesus.
too big. Oh God, my waist. But this is not bad. Wait, let me get it for when I start my...
It doesn't matter.
No, I'm trying to get stuff like I need right now. Let me know. I have the goods now. No, I'm vlogging myself, but yeah, I look kind of pale, like I look some type of way. But my total, it wasn't even that expensive. It was like, I got like 6 things or something, and it was like $50, like, yeah. But we are going to another store. And I haven't gotten tired of shopping. Where are you going?
I want to be in the video.
Okay.
I want to be in the video. I need another clue because like I've been with this shirt in your video.
Really? No, you haven't. Wait, where's the entrance? Okay, we are here. I don't know if you watched my previous vlog, but I've been here before.
That one.
Yeah, okay. So we are at. I don't like the lighting. The lighting looks bad. but we are at National Thrift now. I'm gonna go through and see the stuff I like. Okay, I'm gonna go through. So we just left the place. I got my bag. It is drizzling. Oh god, it was supposed to rain yesterday, but I didn't rain yesterday, and it is rather drizzling today. But yeah, we left. I didn't really get a lot of stuff though. Like, you know, when I say I didn't get a lot of stuff, I mean I did, but then not too much. Anyways, we are heading to Walmart now. But yeah, I'll speak to you guys later, okay? We are at KFC right now. I don't like KFC, but my friend wants KFC. I personally want Popeyes, so that's what I'm gonna go get and open this door. Fuck. But he wants KFC, so yeah, we are getting KFC. So we are leaving KFC now because the line in there, and they are so slow, like so slow. We just couldn't wait, so we are going to Popeyes now. Casa to casa, back home now. Oh god, I'm so tired, honestly, super duper tired. I'm home now. Oh god, I'm so freaking tired. I'm gonna end the vlog here because I want to edit. I was supposed to go to the gym, but you know, I'm tired. I'm not sure I'll go, but I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you watch up to this point, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. You know, do the other hats and add it. But thank you so much for watching, and if you watch up to this point, make sure you comment. Should you comment today? The hug emoji, I'm gonna put it here if you watch up to this point. If you didn't comment, which means you didn't watch up to this point, and I'm watching you, so I know everybody who watches the video to the end. Okay, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to 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 tell another friend. The pretty boy Stanley posted. Okay, until next time, bye.